So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Power share. So we know that previously when we have done the complete technical analysis about Tata Power, so I've discussed all the latest updates and followed by have discussed few important supports as well as resistances. So we can see currently it is trading near the 122 rupees region and it is forming a very good pattern on technical charts. So if it gives any sort of breakout, what would be the next immediate targets? So all these things we'll try to find out. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group if you have not done that so that you'll not miss any latest updates. Okay, so if we see today's activity present in Tata Power, so you can see roughly 3 crore shares have been traded, and if you see deliverables wise, 1 crore shares have been taken into deliveries and delivery percentage is around 34.68%. So that is a very good percentage, and we know on an average basis we see very good deliveries in Tata Power. So earlier we know the last 2 to 3 trading sessions we have seen only 24 to 25% deliveries, but today you can see jump in the deliveries because it is at a very good region and buying is seen at that particular levels. And if we see earlier also, it has given some continuous momentum. You can see the last 4 to 5 days back, that is the previous week. So very good momentum was seen in the stock when some positive updates have been released, and especially when the power segment was in complete focus. So Tata Power has grown steadily. So now if you're already holding since 120 rupees level, so I'll try to suggest the best level where you can have fresh entry and also you can average at that particular level so that you can expect a very good move in the coming weeks or coming sessions, and definitely 150 plus can be seen in it. So what are those levels? So quickly let's go to charts. Okay, so now we are back onto the weekly time frame, and you can see currently this week, after having a very good breakout from the 112 rupees level, it has faced the resistance near the 130 rupees region. So mainly because we know few negative updates were also present in the market, not related to the stock. So reacting to the market, we know stock has also corrected, especially maximum power stocks are in little correction right now, but nothing to worry about that. Tata Power, we know already it has generated a golden crossover. So whenever any golden crossover happens, it shows bullishness and again it retraces. So we need to buy at the retracement level. So that is going to be the best entry. So what is that retracement level? So currently you can focus 118 or 119. So in that particular region you can have a fresh entry, or if you want to do any sort of averaging, you can focus that particular level. So these are going to be very important. So once it completes the retesting, whatever retracement it does in the coming sessions, so definitely again it will start bouncing back and it will approach towards the 140 plus rupees region. So this is going to be the pattern that Tata Power would be following in the coming sessions. So try to observe 118, 119 if you're interested. Already if you're holding, definitely you can watch for the target levels, and if you want to have any fresh entry, so those levels would be important. And if you go to money flow index, so still that is in the mid range. So 57 is very good level. So don't get confused that it is in overbought or oversold. Not that, it is completely in mid range and it may retrace and further it may start its journey in the upside. So this is in weekly time frame. So let's even go to the daily chart. Okay, so now when we go to the daily chart time frame, you can see it has faced resistance near the 130 followed by 127. So even though it has tried to go up, but because of market fluctuations, even the stock could not sustain that particular levels. But nevertheless, you can see here pivot support is present near the 119.45. So after that we have near the 115. So these are going to be the ultimate supports. So where you need to accumulate. So catch the each and every dip. If you're hoping for a bright future in power segment, then definitely this is one stock that you need to add into your portfolio. So whenever it is showing correction, you can accumulate it, and the levels, as I told, if it retraces from there, definitely you can expect some very good move in the stock. And if you see in daily time frame, money flow index is near 76. So still not yet gone into completely overbought region. So that also may shift towards positive side in the coming sessions. So focus on the levels. Targets also have discussed. If if any update gets released, I'll update in the Telegram, and also if possible I'll also make the video. So any further doubts you can ask me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me within Instagram ID is stocks derivati. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.